Alright you guys, thanks for tuning into the video. This is Brent Parker with 365 Customs. Today we're going to be removing the door handles on a 2022 Mazda 3 Sport. This is a GT Turbo and it was built in Japan. As far as I know, there's 2 to 3 different styles of door handle mechanisms. Some of them are harder to take off. This is one of the styles, so hopefully you guys have this one because it is by far the easiest. So all you have to do on any of the doors is just remove that plastic dust cover that you saw me take off before. So that's going to pop off. You'll gain access to a retaining bolt for the door handle. You just got to take a Torx bit, unscrew that. It doesn't come out fully, it just loosens enough so that the door handle can be popped out. So you'll see me here loosening that retaining bolt. And then once that's loose enough, you can then actually go pull on the door handle. Pull it like you're opening the door and then pull it backwards towards the rear of the door and it will pop off. This front door handle, if you have the advanced keyless entry, you'll have to disconnect that wire before pulling out the door handle. In order to do that, you have to take out the door skin of the front door, which I'll show in another video. So as you'll see again for this rear door, just loosening that retaining bolt. Once that's loose enough, you can pull the door handle out like you're opening the door, and then you pull it back towards the rear of the door and it will pop right out. And that is it. Like and share, please.